giant clump of sand. And you're not going to really put those two sticks in your bridge. You're going to need them to make the bridge. So the bridge is made purely out of sand, unless you want to make some decorations. So first you want to shape your clump of dirt into a mound like this, and take away the rest of the dirt, and make it so that now there's like a surrounding and it's like a hill. Now, next, take a smooth stick like this and you start shaving it off. You want it to be flat to top, so you can even use your hand. You want to be flat on the top, and for the sides, it's your choice. If you want like a smooth one, then you gotta shape this stand off. If you don't care, then that's fine at time also. So once it's like this, now you gotta make a curve out like this, curve outlet, and do like this. Now take your stick. Now make a mound. Instead of making it, you can either make a mound if you want. Sometimes if you want a road, then you should try this. And then, yeah, like that's the road. Like that's something like that. Okay, now, first, don't take your big stick. Take a thin stick, and then try to get one which like this edge, so then it can shave the inside off. So first, put the stick, I will show you. Put the stick in and start twisting it. Down and down. But every now and then you need a lot of extra sand, because when you're shaving it off, the dirt will start falling off like that. So whenever you see a crack, you don't want that crack to happen. And then you can also use a finger and try to make it as low as possible. If it's hard for you to do on this step, then take the spray in and just poke it through. This is the first step. And now you see there's a big crack over there. So I'm going to take, for safety purposes, I'm going to take a mound of dirt and put it over it. So now, wait away. Now, you might not see this crack over here, but there's another tiny crack. Now, you need to this stick, and you top it off with a lot of dirt. And take this stick, and you see this is the end of this stick. Now you use this stick to push. And you might see a crack over here. Now you take some dirt and cover that crack off, and use your finger, and then okay, now I got it. Now once the stick is up onto the other side, now get away all of the dirt that you have. And now you see this stick. Now take this stick and punch the stick over and see if the stick is coming to the other side without doing anything. And if it's not, that means your crack or your entrance is too small, and then you need to fix it. Just to finish the bridge, now you can see that there's the underneath of the bridge, and I can stick my hand through. And then once you're done like this, you should clear out the dirt on the bottom. And from overland, it's like this. So the way this bridge is working is because of this arc. It's like an arc which supports all of this weight, so I can put a pretty good chunk of weights, like without even putting any weight. You already see how there's like a mound of sand that this bridge is already holding, and I can put more and more until it breaks. So for watching this video, and please subscribe to Kidsman Hike.